Alright guys, welcome back to another trade recap. I'm going to be breaking down a NQ long and a gold long that I took today around NY Open. All right, let's start off with the gold long. Oops. All right, so this gold long that I took this morning was actually a really simple trade. Like when I break it down for like what I saw in the moment, like my thought process, you're going to be like, oh, that's it. And yeah, that was it. So overall, I was bullish on gold. What direction do we see here? Price going up. And overall, we're bullish. Throw on a daily volume profile. We started our day above the value area high of yesterday. Like we kept above it. So in my mind, we're bullish. You might come down and retest this area, yesterday's value area high, and get a little bounce off of it. That's kind of what I was looking for, right? And once we got to that area, I wanted to see some sellers get trapped, and then I get in with the aggression, okay? And then when I was looking at it in the morning, I noticed we were dumping. So eventually I'm thinking, okay, at some point, gold's going to react off something and push up. And there was a little low volume node at the time that I was looking at as well. Also with the value area high from the previous day. That was the main POI that I was looking at. Real quick, let me just drop a line for the previous day's value area high. Right there. Then we can just turn that off. Okay. So this is exactly what I saw this morning. So I saw that price hit that level, hit the value area high. We had a nice little reaction to it. I saw some big buying step in, some sellers get trapped. Price starts pushing up. So I just waited to see some more confirmation. I want to see some more sellers get trapped and price keep pushing up. I saw that right here. More sellers get trapped. Price pushes up. I want to see a nice little pullback because I saw this and I was waiting. But then this big ass candle formed. I'm like, all right, I'm not going to get in at the top of this candle and then get cooked in some drawdown. Let me wait for the pullback and see where price is going to go. And I had my eyes on this little 1 minute order block right here. And sure enough, once price hit it, massive sell order comes in. They get stuck. Obviously, big sell order on the wick. Price is not going down after that. It's actually doing the opposite. So obviously that's absorption. And then once I saw a nice closure, price started pushing up. I'm looking at the heat map. I'm seeing the aggressive buyers stepping in. I took my trade right here. Had my TP for how much I needed for my eval because I'm doing a 25K eval again. Also secured the payout on from the last video in case you were wondering. Got that. I'll post it somewhere in the video. Anyways, then after that, entered the trade, had my take profit, and quite literally no drawdown. Straight to TP. And it was right around 9:30. So I got in right before 9:30, 9:27. And then boom, 9:30 hit. Right here, the volume started coming in. Big buy. Started pumping straight to my take profit. And I was out. And that was it for the gold trade. Real quick, in and out. Now moving on. So these are the two longs that I caught. This one was right after 9:30. This is based off the IVB. See the execution mark right here. Got out right here. And then as I hit take profit, I waited for another entry. Got in here again. And that was my second trade. I got stopped in profit on the second one. So first trade hit take profit. Second trade got stopped in profit. And that was it. Those are the two trades. Let me clean this chart up a bit so we can break them down. Actually, oh whoops, the thing's not centered. Sorry about that. Anyways, let's see. So coming into the session, I turned on my the IVB indicator, the opening range. I had it set to 5 minutes. So the first 5 minutes of the session. You see it here at the high, the low, the middle. And then we broke above it, came back down, retested the area. On the heat map, I saw a bunch of sellers getting stuck right here. A lot of aggressive buying. loading up, and there was a heat level right on this area. And I wanted to get in with them once I saw the aggressive buying stepped in. And sure enough, it was right here. I would show you in the heat map, but I have to load that data, and I don't feel like going through all that. Anyways, once those aggressive buyers stepped in, I got in the trade, and then boom. Nice little pop. Straight to take profit. This was a nice clean trade. Nothing too complicated, guys. Literally just waited for some absorption, break and retest, absorption, aggressive buyers step in. After the sellers get absorbed, I get in with them. Price goes up. I see a bunch of positive delta as well. That's a good sign for me. That price is going to keep going up with a lot of volume, mind you. And we just kept pumping. Anyways, once that one hit take profit, obviously my greed, I want more. So I waited for the next trade. Price kind of stalled out here for a little bit. I saw it building up some momentum. Obviously, I'm anticipating it to keep going bullish, keep going up. I was aiming for this, and there were some gamma levels here. I don't feel like importing them. There's gonna be too many lines on my chart, but there's a few gamma levels around here that I was targeting as well. So that was enough for me. I just wanted to see some sellers get absorbed. I saw that on the heat map. Got in right when I saw this buyer started pushing in right around here in this candle. So I got in right here, and then boom. Straight to take profit. This one definitely had me a little nervous. I will say that. When it came down here, I was like, oh, am I gonna get cooked? And then we kept pumping. Sorry, this one wasn't take profit. This one was stopping profit. I think I said take profit. This one was take profit. This one was stopping profit. One of them I have recorded. I don't remember which one, but I'll play the video at the end. You'll see that at the end. And yeah, it shot up here. I was trailing. I think I put my stop below, like it was this one, and I put a little bit aggressive. Came down, stopped me profit, and that was it. I was done. I was looking for some more longs, but there was nothing that I really liked. And then they kind of broke this low right here. I had to go run an errand, and I kind of missed out on these shorts, which there were definitely some nice shorts. And it kind of stalled out for the rest of the day. So now let's see what Asia brings. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that recap. It was some real simple trades: break and retest, absorption, aggression, same thing. Break, retest, absorption, aggression. Break, retest, absorption, aggression. Absorption, aggression, absorption, aggression. That's literally all I look for. And how do I find it? I'm using DeepCharts. Everybody always asks me, what are you using? What are you using? I'm using DeepCharts. You see my charts? It's DeepCharts. If you want my templates, you have to use my code. The link is in the bio or description. You can use the link to get DeepCharts, or you can use my code. Use code KISS. Get the best discount, and you get all my templates and my indicators as well. Get your setup looking just like mine. And DeepCharts is even cheaper now. Look at their website. They have 3 different plans now for whatever level of order flow / option flow you're at. I recommend getting the mid-tier one, the advanced, because it comes with a little bit of everything. It comes with all the order flow tools, and it comes with some of the option flow tools. You don't need all of them, just some of them. And yeah, then if you eventually feel like you want more, then you could upgrade to the option flow or the pro version. But yeah, guys, that pretty much covers everything. If you want more content like this, just like this video so I know you enjoy it. And join the Discord, link in bio. If you're new around here, I stream at least twice a week. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video.